CHZ 200-day simple moving average remains instructive for pullbacks, but a failure to hold forecasts big problems. According to the Into the Block ownership by time-held data, Chiliz owners of at least a year represent just 2% of the total ownership. Chiliz price climbed just over 70% from the June 9th low to the May 11th high in the run-up to the kickoff of the European Cup, one of the premier soccer events in the world. The notable rally did capture the attention of the cryptocurrency markets and the CHZ faithful, but it has since stumbled lower. Currently a trifecta of resistance and a lack of hodler conviction amps the skepticism over a bullish outlook for the sports and entertainment token. Chiliz price crashed over 80% from the March 12th high of $0.975 to the May 19th low of $0.163, and it was highlighted by a 60% drop on May 19th. Yes, CHZ did rebound over 100% from May low to the May 20th high of $0.356, but it failed to conquer resistance designated by the April 7th low of $0.364. CHZ once again rallied towards $0.364 but failed to overcome the level, succumbing to a trifecta of resistance framed by the April declining trendline and the intimidating 50-day SMA. Chiliz price fumbled the opportunity presented by the European Cup and has shifted into a range sandwiched by the April declining trendline and the 200-day SMA. It is conceivable that CHZ will sustain the range until it reaches an apex formed by the declining trendline and the May 23 rising trendline. Considering the failed attempt to break out a daily close below the 200-day SMA at $0.230 and the May 23 rising trendline at $0.219 should point to a new leg lower for Chiliz price. A close below the June 8 low of $0.204 will confirm and prompt CHZ to quickly sweep the May 19 and 23 lows around $0.163, generating a 40% loss from the current price today. Almost 98% of the CHZ ownership has held the token for less than a year and 12.33% have owned it less than a month. As a result, there is limited underlying conviction in CHZ as determined by the current ownership profile. At best, market operators should expect volatility and brief bounces to be sold. They should also be aware that there could be no support if Chiliz price returns to a downward trajectory.